So, today we're getting ready to start refurbishing this old bench. We've had it around for many, many years. The wood is starting to split on some of the slats. The paint's peeled off of it. It is loose. So, we're going to pull it all apart, clean up all of the wood, replace what needs to be replaced with some new oak, paint up all of the metal, and hopefully make it look better and last longer. Follow along, see how it goes. Alright, so we got the back off. Started to take some of these screws out. Little bitty screws have been in here for years. This one here I'm going to probably have to cut. A couple more of them I'll probably have to cut. I hope I don't have to cut them all. Let's see if we can get them to come free. Looks like the tips or the screws are rusted so bad. A Phillips probably won't grab them properly. Yeah, the Phillips won't even go in there anymore and grab them. They've been rounded off. So we'll do a little persuasion. Break the rust up. And the screws do come out. They're definitely going to be replaced. Alright, so there we go. Got our end pieces, top and bottom. Time to clean them up. Now we're going to give it a light coat of a hammered bronze paint. Okay, upon examination of the slats, even though they still appear to be in good shape, they are so dry that even sanding them is just turning them into a fine powder, and they're wanting to start to fall apart. I don't think they got too much life left in them, so we're going to take some oak material. We're going to make us some new slats. So follow along and see how that goes.